that types over 400 words per minute. And here's how I made it and how you can make one as well. I originally planned to use Selenium, which by the way is the same library that I used in the past video. But typeracer.com wouldn't stop with the captchas, so I had to improvise a little. There is this great library called PyTesseract, which uses this project called Tesseract, and which by the way is made by Google. This Tesseract project recognizes text inside images. The only problem though is that Tesseract wasn't recognizing anything. As you can see in the clip, I was trying to recognize text inside two images, but Tesseract was having a really tough time trying to understand it. And the images were pretty clear. Any human being could see it and could understand it. I later realized that in order to understand an image, PyTesseract needs to have a clear vision of the text. In the final working version of the program, you can see that I first take a screenshot of the text and PyTesseract then understands it. The project core is really simple. You start the race, start the program switches task, takes a screenshot, types it, and all of that occurs in lightning speed. So this is it. I will try my best to find a fast typer to compete against, but I'm pretty sure my robot will win. But anyway, peace.